Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a little bit of an overview, some general information, and my first impressions on these Trip compression travel bags sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. I travel a lot. Planes, trains, automobiles means something completely different in my house. And don't forget cruise ships. So when I'm traveling, whether it's on vacation or for business, I want to make sure that all of the gear that I'm using is up to the job. For me, there are two things that are most important anytime I order something online: the quality of the materials and the quality of construction. So what I always do anytime I order something online is I want to go through and make sure that there aren't any rips or tears, that there aren't any frays in the materials, that there aren't any stains, that there aren't any seams coming apart. I want to make sure that all of the zippers are working properly, that everything is ready to go and be able to do the things that it needs to do. So after a thorough inspection, these are ready to hit the road. So in my opinion, the Trip travel bags, they are high quality. But let me tell you why I say that. First off, the zippers are very, very smooth. I haven't had any catches on them. I haven't had any issues with them whatsoever. These are really nice zippers, and they have a nice little thing here that makes it easier to grab onto. They come with a nice hook that you can hang it on the back of a door or in a closet or something like that if you need to. They are very lightweight, but the material that they use is really, really sturdy. They come in a wide variety of sizes and colors. To me, Trip goes beyond what you might find with other companies as far as their quality and some of their features are concerned. So let me tell you just about the laundry bag, for instance, when we're talking about different things that they do. It's got a really nice wide opening, of course, but it also has plastic along the top that if you fold it over, it's got a clasp here that you can go ahead and shut this bag, keep it from leaking, keep things inside, almost like it were a wet bag. I love the way that they do this. And on other of their bags, let's say you put a little too much in there, you can unzip this and it'll give you a little extra room. To me, for the price and for all that they offer, these are a great value. If you are a traveler, if you are on the go, you're looking for something that you can put your clothes and items in to keep them nice and organized, I highly recommend that you give Trip a look. They work for me. They are a keeper. They're going with me soon. Maybe they'll work for you as well.